Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update DaVinci Resolve to apply temporal noise reduction effectively. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Ensure you are using the latest version of the software. If you need to update, go to the official DaVinci Resolve website. Download the latest version appropriate for your operating system. Close any open projects before starting the installation process. Run the downloaded installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, reopen DaVinci Resolve. Import the project you want to work on. Navigate to the color workspace at the bottom of the interface. Select the clip you want to apply temporal noise reduction to. Locate the noise reduction panel on the right side of the interface. Enable the temporal noise reduction option. Adjust the settings according to your needs. Start with low settings to see how it affects your clip. Preview the changes in the viewer. Fine-tune the settings for optimal results. Once satisfied with the adjustments, proceed to render the project. This will ensure the noise reduction is applied effectively. After rendering, review the final output for any additional tweaks needed. Save your project to keep all changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.